Here we have the integral of x minus 1 divided by x to the third plus x squared. And so to find this integral, first we need to decompose this right here. And so this is the same as x minus 1, and then the common factor is x squared, and then x plus 1. And then now we need to decompose this fraction right here. So it's going to be something over the square factor, and then plus the linear factor of x plus 1. If we just have a linear factor, then we just put a constant up here. But this is a squared factor. If it's a square factor, then we have to do 8x plus b. And then this will be just constant. So this is a squared factor, and this is a linear factor. And then now we can cross multiply. And so cross multiply, and so we get 8x plus b times x plus 1, and then plus cx squared. And then dividing by the product of the two denominators. And here we have the two denominators, they match, and therefore the two numerators have to match. So this would be x minus 1. 8x times x is 8x squared. 8x times 1 is 8x. And then b times x is bx. And then b times 1 is b. And then plus cx squared. And then what we want to do is gather all the terms with x squared together. So we have a, and then plus c, and then times x squared. And then gather the terms with x together, and then plus b times x, and then plus b. And then the left side, this is the same as 0x squared plus 1x minus 1. And so this is the 0x squared has to match with the a plus cx squared. The 1 has to match with the, so the coefficient of x on the left side must match with the coefficient of x on the right side. And then the constant on the left must match with the constant on the right. And so the 0 must match with the a plus c, and then the 1, the coefficient of the x, must match the a plus b, and then the negative 1 is b. So we have b equal to negative 1, and then from here we will get a 1 equal to a, and then plus b. b is negative 1. And then add 1 to both sides, and then a will be 2. And then from here we get 0 is equal to A, 8 is 2, and then plus C, and so C has to equal to negative 2. And so now the integral becomes this. And for A, we have 2, and then B, we have negative 1, and then C is negative 2. And so the decomposition of the x minus 1 divided by xy plus 1 is 2x minus 1 over xy, and then plus negative 2 over x plus 1. And then we can separate this even further. So this is the same as 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 divided by xy, that's the same as 2x over xy, and then minus 1 over xy. And then this is the same as 2 over x. And then we can move some of the constants out. So this is the same as 2. And then this will be negative 1, negative. And this will be minus 2. And recorded the antiderivative of 1 over x is just ln x, ln of the absolute value of x. And then the 1 over x squared here. This is the integral of x to the negative 2. And then the antiderivative, remember we just add 1 to the exponent, so the x to the negative 1, and then dividing by negative 1. So this will be negative 1 x to the first, x to the negative 1. So this would be negative, and then x to the negative 1 is just the same as 1 over x. And then minus 2, and then this is ln of x plus 1. And then the final answer, minus and minus becomes plus.